If you have been waiting for the ultimate ultra-lightweight drone that gives you professional cinematic control without the hassle of a giant setup, you are going to want to stick around for this. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, featuring the RC N3 remote controller. This tiny, feature-packed powerhouse weighs practically nothing, yet it delivers stunning 4K imaging, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and seamless tracking capabilities that completely redefine what a pocket-sized creator drone can do. Let us dive right in and see why this combo is an absolute must-have for your gear bag. Right out of the box, what makes the Fly More combo so incredible is the sheer value and extended runtime it brings to the table. The drone itself is marvelously compact, tipping the scales at around 151 grams, with full-coverage propeller guards, making it safe and stress-free to fly anywhere. But with the Fly More package, you get multiple batteries and a two-way charging hub, meaning you can swap power on the fly and capture up to nearly an hour of total flight time without constantly rushing back to a power outlet. Now, let us talk about control, because this is where the RC N3 remote controller bundle completely changes the game. While you can launch the Neo 2 right from your palm with simple gestures or fly it using your smartphone, pairing it with the RC N3 unlocks traditional, high-precision dual-stick maneuvering. It clamps securely onto your phone, so you can view a crystal-clear, low-latency live feed via the DJI Fly app, giving you absolute confidence whether you are navigating tight spaces or flying out to maximum distances. When it comes to performance, the Neo 2 punches way above its weight class. It features upgraded tracking speeds up to 12 meters per second with smarter A-Direction Active Track, meaning it locks onto you effortlessly while you run, bike, or explore. Combined with a half-an-inch CMOS sensor pumping out gorgeous 4K video, your cinematic vlogs, travel highlights, and action shots are going to look buttery smooth and professionally polished every single time. If you want to elevate your content creation, capture mind-blowing angles effortlessly, and get everything you need to stay in the air longer, the DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo with the RC N3 remote controller is an absolute game changer. Click the link below for the best price.